All right. Today is my grout applying day. This has got to sit for a few minutes. It's not as sandy or bigger granules like what I'm used to using, but that's because my lines are going to be a lot thinner. So it's almost like peanut butter. I'll let this sit for a few minutes like it says. And then I'll be applying it. And while I'm doing this, Steve is putting long pieces of wood like this in the cabinets, like you can see right there and right here, which we're going to glue and staple. Reasons why we're doing that, as you can see on the back side, it's kind of dark, is so when we go and put the metal up here, it has something to grab onto. So he's working on that right now while I apply the grout. And then maybe we can get a panel. I forgot to ask you, did you ever cut the panel for that one?
Actually, no, I did not.
Yeah, we need one for that side too.
That's fine.
So we might have to
get some more sticks.
Yeah, get more sticks for that. Because my little corner shelf's gonna go there, but and then after I do my grout, then I'm gonna look at finally staining the cabinets. In some ways I kind of like them bright. I'm kind of skeptical or kind of scared of staining them.
Oh, let's see what these. Oh, man. Ah.
Because it kind of brightens up the kitchen a little, you know, with the dark colors going on. Like this is going to be a copper, just like my copper penny, but it's going to be epoxy with some black and some metallic colors through the copper. Give a little bit of shine and sparkle, but it'll look really, really pretty. So I'll come back after I put up my grout and then show you what it looks like.
What? You don't like it? Oh. Ah, that's my girl. You like it. Thank you.
Okay, folks. I finished. I'll come up close so you can see the black grout. This was a fun project, and if you like tiling, you will have fun with it. But there it is. Might have to come over and paint a little bit on the green. It was messy, and black's not forgiving. It was all over the place. But once you clean it up and all that, it's finished. Now, Steve's been working on this dryer, the stackable we purchased. So he tore it all apart to try to find out what was wrong.
I felt like you had a loose wire on one of the temperature sensors. So I plugged it back in, kind of put it together a little bit and see if that was it. Still not getting hot.
Okay, now what?
So I think one of the temperature sensors might be bad. And the multimeter I have is not working, won't measure resistance correctly, so I can't test it.
I mean, it runs, but what's a dryer if it can't heat up, right?
Just let it sit there and spin for hours and hours, just blowing normal air through it. It'll eventually overdrive.
Seriously?
Yeah, a lot of electricity wasted and everything. So we bought these from a guy who refurbishes these. Maybe what I'm going to do is contact him and tell him this is what we're having.
That's a good idea.
And find out from him what we need to do next. Because I think he said he would warranty it for a while. So I'm going to have to reach back out. We tried to do it all ourselves so we wouldn't have to bother him. Because we do know how to do this stuff. But, I mean, it's working. The washing machine's working. We tested it out the other day, but no heat coming in. So, working on that, finished the backsplash. The other thing we were doing today was putting some extra wood down in here, like I was showing you earlier.
Yeah, we gotta finish
Just
that.
like that. So we gotta finish it up so we can put the metal on the outside to be able to anchor it without it falling apart. So we stapled and glued on the inside, and we know exactly where we're going to have extra wood to screw the metal in all the way around the island. So yeah, this is a brand new multi-tool that's supposed to test for current and all that stuff. Evidently with this dryer, it's not something that we can use. But we'll come back to that and show you and give you an update later.